Hi, my name is Craig Lloyd, CEO of the Murrindindi Shire Council. Thanks for tuning in to Council's video update for Thursday, the 30th of July. In the last 24 hours, there have been 723 new cases of coronavirus in Victoria, the largest daily increase so far. Sadly, another 13 deaths have been reported since yesterday, bringing the total number of lives lost in Victoria to 105. There are 5,385 active cases and more than 1.5 million people have been tested. 312 Victorians are currently in hospital, including 34 patients in intensive care. We've also been advised today of one active case being recorded within the Murrindindi Shire. To be clear, this means that the person who has tested positive has given their home address as being in our Shire, but this does not necessarily mean that the person is or has been in our Shire since being infected. We also do not know where in the Shire this person's home address is. I wish this person well with their recovery, but now more than ever, we need to pull together as a community to support those that are vulnerable and all do the right thing by ourselves and others. As the Chief Health Officer and the Premier have said on a number of occasions, we should all be acting as if the virus is in our own communities anyway, and all undertaking all of the necessary precautions such as hand washing and social distancing. Earlier today, the Premier, Daniel Andrews, announced that all Victorians, so that includes those in regional Victoria and the Murrindindi Shire, must wear a face covering whenever we leave our homes from midnight on Sunday the 2nd of August. Unless an exemption applies. Now, these exemptions include medical conditions or other conditions that impair your ability to wear a face covering. That might be doing strenuous exercise, or if you're unable to do so and be able to do your job while you're wearing a face covering. Children who are under the age of 12 years old do not need to wear a face covering, but can choose to do so. Children who are 2 years or younger must not wear a face covering as they are a choking and suffocation risk. So a face covering needs to cover both your nose and your mouth. It can be a face mask or shield. Reusable masks are a great way to go wherever possible from a waste-wise perspective, and they also provide a cheaper option over time. And let's be honest, we don't know how long this situation will last. If using a disposable mask, please do the right thing and make sure you dispose of it properly by sealing it up and placing it in your household bin, not your recycling bin, the general waste bin. Covering your face means protecting our community, keeping local businesses open and keeping local people in work. People who do not wear face coverings and who do not have a lawful reason can be fined $200. You can find more information on face coverings on the DHS website at dhs.vic.gov.au/coronavirus. The Victorian Government also announced today that from midnight tonight, people who live in the local government areas of Colac Otway, Greater Geelong, Surf Coast, Moorabool, Golden Plains and the borough of Queenscliff will no longer be allowed to visit people or have visitors to their home. Hospitality businesses in those local government areas can continue to operate as they have been. And with changes to some restrictions, the key message still remains: if you are sick, even if you're feeling just a little bit unwell, please go and get tested. If you have any symptoms, no matter how mild, you must not go to work. Victorians going to work when they are sick continue to be the biggest driver of transmission. If you're unsure where your nearest testing centre is, please visit the DHHS website. I'll give you that address again. It's dhhs.vic.gov.au/coronavirus. And there you'll find a map of testing sites. Alternatively, get in touch with your nearest hospital or clinic to book an appointment. We understand this is a challenging time for many. If you or someone close to you isn't coping well, please reach out for help. There are a number of support services available, which you can find on our website. Just click on the blue COVID-19 banner at the top of our homepage. Our DindyLink program is also still running and can also assist you to connect you with services and provide you with information on what is available in your area. Give Council a call, 5772 0333. It's really important that we stay connected with family and friends during this time and be kind to one another. I've also been in contact further with Victoria Police and welcomed their visible presence across the Shire again today, and particularly through the Kinglake Ranges. I'm advised that people are receiving infringements, and again a number have been issued within our Shire. On a lighter note, we have another Dindy Live event coming up tomorrow night at 6:30. This week we have musician Jimmy Hocking playing for us and artist Lynn Stone talking about her work. You can tune in via our Facebook page or on Council's website at murrindindi.vic.gov.au/Dindy Live. The event will also be streamed on radio station UGFM. That's all from me today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, social distance, and get your masks ready if you haven't already. Thank you.